This 8-week coaching program is designed to help you create your best self through food and eating. The beauty of this program is its simplicity. No more crazy, elaborate, and unpleasant dieting. You'll learn what good food is, how to prepare it, and most importantly, how to enjoy the experience. Along these 8 weeks, I'll help you understand that in order to lose weight, get off your medications, have more energy, live happier, you don't have to give anything up. In fact, you can have so much more. So how does this program work? This program is designed to be consumed at any time, anywhere, allowing you to go at your own pace on your own time. Each week, I'll touch on a weekly theme that will be broken down into easy-to-consume modules, blog posts, and videos. Weekly themes include how to make this lifestyle stick, shopping made simple, getting started in the kitchen, boring to bomb-ass breakfast, lunches you'll love, date with dinners, beverages, snacks, sides, and sweets, and finally, unlocking your potential with superfoods. You'll also be getting weekly emails from me every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to keep you engaged and motivated. At the end of each week, I will host a live coaching call to bring our mindful eating tribe together to ask questions, provide feedback, and connect on important issues. Once you sign up, I'll send you everything you need to get started, along with a special link for you to log in to view each week's coaching modules and content. I hope you join me in this fun and transformational journey to your best self.